I'm cracking my knuckles. Not really, it's actually just a sound effect, because cracking your knuckles on the screen isn't as loud as I thought it would be. But you've probably heard the sound of cracking and popping of joints, and you've also probably heard that your parents have said it causes arthritis. So, does it? Between your joints is something called synovial fluid, a lubricant-like substance. Every time you pull your bones apart, well, then it releases gas, which forms a bubble and pops, and then you have to wait about 20 minutes before you can do it again. So, is it safe? I guess. See, Donald L. Ugner cracked his joints in his left hand for 60 years and not in his right to test this out, to see if he would get arthritis. 6 decades later, he found that he had no more arthritis in his left hand than his right. So, I guess it's safe, and many doctors agree with his findings. So, crack your knuckles as much as you want right now. Except maybe not, because it's proven that it still might not be safe for you. It reduces grip strength, causes swelling, and makes everyone around you want you to shut the hell up.